Hi there, this is another video for non-native professionals working in English. If you want to sound more intelligent and analytical in meetings, you need to know these phrases. Number one, let's analyze the data. Number two, let's evaluate the options. Number three, let's break this down. Next one, what evidence supports this? And the last one, we need to identify the key issues. Using these phrases demonstrates clarity, critical thinking, and makes your contribution stand out in meetings. See you later.